Hello everyone, this is Kavita here. Today we are going to learn subtraction. This method works for subtraction from numbers consisting of 1 to 9 followed by 0. Before we start learning subtraction, I just want to introduce the terminology we use when we do the problems in subtraction. For example, 6000 minus 574. 6000 is called the minuend, 574 is called subtrahend, and the answer is called the difference. So let us see how we do subtraction 6000 minus 574 using Vedic math method. In this method, we start from left. First write down 6000 and under that you write down 574 and then you write your answer box here. The first step, very simple, you start from the left. First top number here is 6, right? First top number from left, subtract 1. So 6 minus 1, you get 5, write 5 in the answer box. And then we apply the rule all from 9 and last from 10 for the bottom numbers. The bottom numbers are 5, 7 and 4. So we apply the rule all from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 last for 10 means 9 minus 5, you write 4 in the answer box. 9 minus 7, you get 2, write in the answer box. The last number here is 4. So last number you subtract from 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 5426 is the difference, is your answer. We'll take one more example. 1000 minus 87. Again, this method works for subtraction from numbers consisting of 1 to 9 followed by 0. So 1000 minus 87. So write down 1000 and under that you write down 87. And then the first step is start from left. First top number, that is here, is 1. First top number from left, subtract 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 has no value, so you don't have to write 0 in the answer box. And then for the rest of the numbers at the bottom, you apply the rule all from 9, last from 10. So here when we write 87, here there is no number, we can just simply write 0 here, right? So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 7 is 3. So here we apply the rule all from 9, last from 10 for the bottom numbers. One more example, 70,000 minus 93. So write down 70,000 and then you write down 93. So here there are no numbers, so you can simply add zeros here. Alright, and then here you just draw your answer box. Start from left. First top number from left, subtract 1. So 7 minus 1 is 6, so write 6 in the answer box. Apply the rule all from 9 and last from 10 for the bottom numbers. So here 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0 and the last number you do from 10, 10 minus 3 is 7. So your answer is 69,907. One more example, 1000 minus 253. So start from left. First top number from left, subtract 1. 1 minus 1, 0. And then apply the rule all from 9, last from 10 for the bottom numbers. So 9 minus 2 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4 and last number is 3 here. 10 minus 3 is 7. So the difference, your answer is 747. 20,000 minus 4,893. So just write down 20,000, and then in the bottom you write down 4,893. Then first step, what you do, start from left, from top number from left, subtract 1. So the top number from left here is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Write 1 in the answer box. And then you apply the rule, all from 9 and last from 10 for the bottom numbers. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, and the last number from 10, 10 minus 3 is 7. So 15,107 is the difference, is their answer. 6,000 minus 4,019. So write down 6,000 and under that you write down 4,019. And then you draw the answer box. So start from left. So you start from left. First top number from left, subtract 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Right? So just write down here or just remember 5 in your mind. And then 5 minus 4. Right? 5 minus 4 is 1. Write down 1. And for the bottom numbers, what you do, you apply the rule, all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So 1,981 is the difference. Another example, 30,000 minus 14,893. So write down 30,000 and under that write down 4,893. Start from left. So we start from left. First top number from left, subtract 1. So that first top number from left here is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Alright. And then 2 minus 1, because under 2 there is number 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Write 1 in the answer box. And for the rest of the bottom numbers, you apply the rule, all from 9 and last from 10. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, and last number at the bottom is 3, 10 minus 3 is 7. So 15,107 is your answer. Practice those problems and check your answers in the next slide. Here are your answers for the first 3 problems, and next 3 problems the answers are here, and the last 3 problems the answers are here. Thank you.